Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to part 2 of Adventure. Fall color looking thing. Hey, your mama now. Racoon Blue Bike Noise channel, run that intro. Welcome back to the riding around in Tennessee, headed towards the Racoon Mountain Reservoir, Lookout Mountain and stuff like that. Yeah. A little overnight fall color look. It is up here in the mountains. Elevation is 1,200 feet above sea level. And it's 58 degrees. Good deal. This is Highway 41, US 41, US 64, US 72, all run together right here, and Tennessee 2. So it's Tennessee 2, US 64, US 41, US 72. Yeah, that's some color, a little bit. The river's just right over there. Can't see it for the trees. Can't see the river for the forest. Can't see the trees. Can't see the forest for the trees. Ain't something like that. Well, we back on one of them back country roads. Back up here with the hillbillies. Country folks, you know. Country folks can survive. We can skin a bug, we can run a trunk line, 'cause a country boy can survive. Raccoon Mountain. Alright, it says keep right. East Loop Visitor Center. Keep right. Okay. Do not enter. I guess it's a one-way road, I guess. I don't know. Never been up here before, but I've seen other people come up here, and it looks pretty. We own the plateau, and it's 1757 feet above sea level. 1,755 feet above sea level. It says no parking on glass. I won't park on glass. I'll park on the grass. Dog's like, I'm not getting out of the road. I ain't pedestrian in the walkway. Ain't your dog supposed to be on a leash? I don't know. I ain't seen a visitor center. Ah, that might be the visitor center. You could go look over this side. Or this side. Visitor Center's closed. I guess you will go to the Visitor Center. Huh. We'll go over here. I believe I took the wrong turn. saying that thing's 250 feet. The water 88 structure. Damn, this is high. Yeah, we way up here. Damn, this is a dam. That's that bicycle trail they must be taking. Off-road bicycle trail. We on a dam. Yep. They got a tunnel or something you can walk in. Maybe it's... Dang, these ain't ordinary speed bumps. They tall. Hey, that's people walking. There's walkers. Yeah, see them? See the walkers? I'll be damned, they was right. So if you walk around, you can go through them little holes, maybe? Huh. Chattanooga's hurting for water. Well, it's 230 feet deep plus, so I don't know how much water that is. Lower East Point. Yeah, let's go down to Lower East Point and see the Nuts bicycle racing. G-Nuts. G-Nuts bicycle racing. Okay. G-Nuts. Go out here and see what we can see. I'd like to see a lookout point. Yeah, I think we can. Keep right. More than G-Nuts bicycle racers. G-Nuts. Well, that's Chattanooga. Yep. I got a poot. But there you are. Downtown Chattanooga, right over there. Aquarium. Right over there is Georgia. Rock City. Steep and windy road, use low gear. Alright, well I lose low gear and go off down this mountain. I like to take one of them Jeeps and just knock all his ducts off of us. Because I guarantee you, them people buying their own ducts. Yeah. Anyway, I see you on part 3 of overnight to Chattanooga. Well, not really we're going, well, I guess it is. Anyway, go check out that video there of last week's, whenever, and then check out that video. Hit the subscribe button right here. Give me a thumbs up. Remember, when you're there, when you get there, you're there, or something like that. I don't know. I don't forget how to say it.